गाइस 12 बजने ही वाले हैं और जूही का बर्थडे है। ओके, सो एक्चुअली वो हर साल वो अपने बर्थडे पे 12 बजे तक जागती है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस टाइम, आई थिंक सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन वो शी स्लेप्ट अर्ली। और एक्चुअली हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम लोग फोर्ट डेकोरेट करेंगे। वी आर गोइंग, मतलब हम लोग ने फोर्ट डेकोरेट करने का प्लान किया था कि एक रात पहले ही कर देंगे, बट प्लान चेंज हो गया और हमने सोचा कि हम कल ही करेंगे। हाँ, तो हम साथ में मिलके करेंगे। शी वॉज लाइक टायर्ड, बोली थी नहीं मन कर रहा है, तो अभी वो सो गई। और टाइम, जस्ट सी द टाइम, अभी होने ही वाले रात 11:51 राइट नाउ। बस 12 बजने ही वाले से 12 बजेंगे, हम लोग उसे जाके जगाएंगे, एक सरप्राइज़ दे देंगे। एक्चुअली कुछ प्रिपेयर तो नहीं किया है, बस उसे 12 बजे उठाना है और उसे विश करना है। टिक 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 5 मिनट्स लेफ्ट। गाइस 12 बज गए एंड वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू वेक जूही। लाइट ऑन कर।
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday.
What is this? Wait, let my eyes open.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Thank you. Wait, I can see everything blurred.
ओह
Thank you.
माय गॉड,
What is this?
आई थिंक सो इट्स आईफोन।
Never in my whole life.
आई थिंक सो इट्स रिमोट कंट्रोल।
What if it's a dog?
डॉग का पट्टा पहले आ गया।
Dog. Thank you, Mom, for creating this video.
वेलकम।
And Amu for cooperating. I don't know how come I just slept today. I don't know.
यू टोल्ड मी यू वर टायर्ड।
I'm tired every day of doing nothing.
What? क्या? What's this?
JBL. Earphones. Oh wow. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Dadi is coming.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Juhi dear. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you all.
सो गई सी?
हाँ.
Oh?
Papa's gift.
अरे वाह, what is it?
Headphones.
Headphone.
Earphones.
Very good.
Okay, so I didn't think that
Amazing.
such a surprise I'll get. I thought सीधा morning को ही जो भी wish करना है, but this was unexpected.
मॉर्निंग में टाइम नहीं था।
Thank you so much, and yeah, I love
See you
all.
tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Main
The big day.
big day is tomorrow.
Yes.
चल.
Hi, actually I wanted to start my vlog like after I take a proper bath and comb my hair. पर अभी मैं उठी हूँ, it's like 9:30 I woke up. Firstly, I just want to thank my parents that they are my whole world. I mean, just a thank you is not enough. And secondly, my friends, मतलब मैं morning को उठी, my DMs were like, and yeah, thank you to both of these wonderful people in my life. And अभी मैं जाके breakfast कर रही हूँ. Probably I'm the last person who woke up today. आज पढ़ाई भी करनी पड़ेगी, नहीं तो कल का गया. We actually have a lot of work today. We have to go to the market and get garlic bread and cake. So, just for going out to get the cake and the garlic bread, मैं नहा के ready हुई. I don't think so I'm going out because I am going, my brother is going and my dad is going, so it will look like we are going in a group and we don't want to fall in risk if someone catches us. I don't know if Amar stays home and then I go. So you're going now, you click the picture and send me. Okay? So I will keep studying. Yeah. Okay? Is that a good idea? What? I'll also come. Okay. We are going walking. So it's It's like so sunny today. Actually, yesterday also I was going to vlog wo preparations wala vlog, but I don't know, it was like a messed up vlog, so I didn't do it. But today it is necessary to vlog. My dad is calling me. Where is your mask? Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, the road is like normal. So I made the biggest mistake. The third time, I don't wear mask.
And I'll again get black.
I know it's so sunny, but इससे ना corona भाग जाएगा. Actually, corona, whatever your germs are on you, na they will go away. So the thing I said about corona and the sunshine thing, don't take it seriously. It is just a joke, okay? Corona भागता नहीं है ऐसे. Ice cream, mummy said we'll make it in the afternoon.
तो रात तक थोड़ी जमेगी.
जम जाएगी.
नहीं जमेगी.
We'll check in Merwan, we'll check in ribbons and balloons, and the special guest will select for me, right?
Yeah.
What you said?
Not much creamy.
Yeah, I don't like cream.
But I like creamy.
You like everything, which is
Except-
bad.
Except fruits and vegetables.
Which is bad for your health. He said एक अच्छा सा chocolate simple cake, okay?
Let's go off the script, scrap the final page. I don't know why we bother, man. We all the same. Let tomorrow wait. Let's take a little time.
Thank you.
Talking line by line, 'cause I don't wanna say goodbye. Close your eyes and keep on talking line by.
Okay, so we got the cake, we got the garlic bread, and I was also in search of some good scrunchy colors like peach or brown, but then I didn't find one good color. I know cross. So I was saying that some good scrunchy colors, but the quality was not good. The colors were like so greenish, black, which I already have. So let's go home. This mask is so suffocating and it is so hot. Okay. Okay, hi. So the preparations for today's dinner is going on. My dad is making lasagna for today. So my dad has just taken the full kitchen. And my work is to make the ice cream. हाँ तो हम लोग बाहर से ice cream we didn't bring because the ice cream that I make at home is like everybody loves it. I'm using these Bourbon biscuits to make the ice cream. Last time I used Oreo, but I think so they work fine too. Recipe is like super simple. You need Bourbon biscuits or any cream biscuits because cream like cream से वो ज़्यादा creamy बनता है. And you need to add milk. That's so easy and freeze it overnight. 12:30 right now and रात को जब we'll have ice cream तब तक it will be done. I think so competition is going on inside. My mom is taking online classes. I am shouting here. She's also shouting there like shut up Johi. Okay, so just for some detail that I planned right now because we have 3 packets over here. 2 के I'm going to crush it and 1 का ending में I'm just going to crush big pieces and put. So I think so that will be really good. So for lunch also we have my favorite, which is बैंगन का भरता. Yes, it is my favorite. So the preparations, I came here to show what my dad is doing. He's here since like we were having lunch. Now it is 4 o'clock and he took a day off just for me to prepare lasagna. So right now what he's doing is he's boiling water and in that he's gonna put these pasta strips for lasagna. so the balloons are done and मुझे इसका time lapse लेना था. Yes, this is going to be the fort. It's quite huge. मम्मी ने पहले ही start कर दिया and I was busy in doing the balloons. So here is a quick time lapse of doing this fort and yeah, have fun seeing the time lapse of the fort.
So this is what I wanted to make fort for my daughter's birthday. I really had a great time working on this fort. It was a hard work also, and if you like it, please comment on my daughter's channel, okay, and subscribe her and follow her.
Guys, do you want to have a look at the stove? It's beautiful, right?
Loving me, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Call me on the phone at 3, I'll talk to you while half asleep, complaining about your mother, so I'll take you to the cemetery. Run to me, I like the sound, I like your voice, I like your mouth.
Hi, so I am completely ready and right now we are going to do our prayer, which is also called as Ardas. So I'll meet you within 5 minutes. So we are getting really late. It's already above 8 and if you don't know what we are talking about, this evening we are going to have a Google Meet party with my full family. So all are going to be there and मैं पूरा तो shoot नहीं करने वाली हूँ, but the whole thing will be recorded.
Hello.
And it's already started. So let's come.
Sasikal, Sasikal, Sasikal.
Nani looking very beautiful.
Sasikal ji, Sasikal. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Juhi. Happy birthday, dear Juhi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you. Cut also.
This is to everyone who took so much time and joined today's party. Thank you so much.
Nice pictures, Julie. Very nice.
Yes, thank you. Oh my god.
Oh my god! I remember this. Why are you zombie in that one?
Oh my god. की बाल है.
राजी में क्या एक एल्बम बना के भेज
Ah, the best. Look at my face.
वाह.
Oh, I remember this day. Yeah, Captain.
Who made this?
This बेलापुर वाले दादू. farewell. Oh my god.
मम्मा ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰੂਥ ਔਰ ਡੇਅਰ ਵੀ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਐਂਡ 'ਚ
Ah, family. Wow. Very nice. I loved it. Hi, so the online party is all done. It went great. And if someone from my family is saying, I just want to say last thank you for just taking some time and coming to my online virtual birthday. It felt really great. And without wasting time, let's go to the main thing of the day. What my dad created for me, the dinner. और ये जो balloon दिख रहे, these are already started to get little pusky. Yeah, pusky. Last but not the least, my homemade ice cream. Hi guys, so this is the end of the vlog. We are sleeping in this tent and I'm really tired. This party was like the best quarantine party ever. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, 17, 17, khatra. Next year is gonna be 18. And yeah, just like, subscribe, share.
can we get 17 likes
Yeah, so I'll meet you really soon. For now, bye.